What is up guys, Daddy Mo Ken here, and today someone sent us a package. Ito galing to kay Chiboji. So you call this nasal aspirator. And ginagamit ko sa mga baby pag may sipon sila, so hindi sila makahinga. So basically kapag may sipon yung mga anak nyo, lagay nyo dito, and then ipapump nyo. Ayan, ganyan. Oh my god! Nagulat ako, ang lakas ng suck niya. This is good for the baby na hindi pa nila kaya mag-blow ng nose nila. So basically, ito. Tapos, you can remove it lang. Kunyari, may mucus dito. Or yan, wipe it off. Basahin nyo lang. So yan.
This non-invasive nozzle is comfy and pain-free for babies and children. No virus transmission with our smooth hand pump design and medical-grade quality product. Clear your runny nose anytime and everywhere.
Thank you, Chiboji, for sending this nasal aspirator. So, magagamit namin talaga to, lalo na pag dumating na yung baby namin. Very useful talaga to. So,
If I were you, choose Chiboji, the #1 nasal aspirator in Japan.